Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a real quick short one. I'm going to show you how to get the engine up onto compression stroke on the number one cylinder. What I have, this is just a simple cheapo Harbor Freight compression tester. I found this is the easiest way to do it. We'll screw the one end into the number one spark plug hole. We're just going to simply remove this gauge. It just screws on. And the interesting thing about this compression tester, on the end that screws into the spark plug hole, there is a little Schrader valve. You're going to need to remove that Schrader valve. So basically, we just have an open hose here with spark plug threads and an O-ring on this end. This is just open. You can make your own. You can take an old spark plug, drill it out, clamp a hose onto it. That'd work. Leak down tester hose will work. And you can just do by the old-fashioned, put your finger in the hole and wait for it to blow out. But this way it works a little easier. You can definitely feel the compression coming out. We're going to get this screwed in, and we'll pull it up onto the number one cylinder and get it on the timing mark, and then we'll be set to make sure the distributor is in time. So the number one spark plug hole is right here. We're going to go ahead and get this screwed in. It doesn't have to be crazy tight, just snug it in. I can move you somewhere you're not in the way. And all we're going to do is turn the front of the crank over, and we're going to start to feel air come out of this when it gets up on the compression stroke. As you can hear, there's air coming out here. So we know we're on compression stroke. Now we're going to get down here and see if we can zoom you in. There we go. You see the white mark coming up? That is the timing mark. So we got it, compression blowing out there. So we are on number one. We're just going to turn that to right there. Now we know we are on number one compression stroke. We are timed. I already have the distributor in, so we already know it's time, but I just want to give you a quick video on how to do it because I didn't show you how to get it up on number one. So that's it for that one. Thanks for watching.